Hey guys, I'm Sean Elwin from Premium Digital Control, and we're working on this amazing penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton residence in Miami Beach. Okay, so this is one of my favorite area in the apartment. We got the living room, the great room, we got the dining with the kitchen, and we got this amazing view. As well, we have all the recessed lighting designed by us. Everything is warm-dim technology. We got speakers, we got flush access point from Sealess. Everything here is completely flush, completely architectural. This is just an amazing space designed by us. This is the most important room in this unit. This is the screening room right now. As you can see, it's in the rough phase. It's being under construction, but we're gonna have here 4 in-ceiling speakers. We got here left, center, right, 2 subwoofers, an amazing 120-inch zero-edge screen with a short throw Sony projector. The lighting design, it's designed by Premium by us as well.